We're making peanut butter cookies, the classic old school peanut butter cookies, fork marks and all. Start by just sifting together some dry ingredients. Going in with flour, baking powder, baking soda, and salt. Let's sift that together into a bowl. And in a separate bowl, our wet ingredients, and we're starting, of course, with the peanut butter. I'm using crunchy peanut butter. You can use creamy. It does not affect the recipe in any way. I just like the little bits of texture the crunchy gives it. Beat that together with white sugar, brown sugar, and 2 sticks of butter. Make sure your butter is nice and softened. We'll just beat this together till it's light and creamy and then add in our eggs. Once your wet ingredients are all well incorporated, we're going to just stir in the dry ingredients. You don't want to over mix it at this point. This is one of those cookies that you can whip up at any time, probably for $0, because surely you have peanut butter on hand and everything else is a pantry staple. And if your pantry doesn't have these staples, Nicole needs to come to your house. All right, everything is incorporated. I'm just gonna cover and refrigerate this for about an hour. You want your peanut butter cookie dough to be nice and chilled so it doesn't like spread out too much when you bake it. Time for the fun part. We're gonna roll our dough into like 1-inch balls, and then we are going to make those nostalgic little cross marks. Because peanut butter is so dense and this dough is really dense, it's not gonna spread out very much when it's cooked. So we're going to press them with the forks. That's gonna help these cook more evenly. Just like Grandma used to make. These are going to bake at 375 degrees for about 10 minutes, but I'm telling you, you need to check them about 7 or 8 minutes. A lot of people complain about why do peanut butter cookies crumble, and the main reason for that is that they're overcooked and they become a little dry, so then they're gonna break. We don't want that to happen. So get your cold milk ready. These will be ready soon. Yum. We'll let them cool on the pan for just a second, and then I'll put them on a cooling rack. There's just something comforting about peanut butter cookies. Soft and chewy in the middle, that's what I like. That is good. That is the old-fashioned way. Lightly toasted on the bottom, but the inside is slightly chewy and soft. That's the way I like it. I love just the tiny bit of saltiness from the peanut butter. If you're looking for that perfect, easy, nostalgic, delicious treat, make these peanut butter cookies. Fork marks and all. Well, you know. Can't take her anywhere. Hey, Nicole, you should wear black pants when you're baking.